Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable the new updated Start menu in Windows 11 25H2. So Microsoft is still rolling this out apparently, so you may not have it even if you're on 25H2. So here's the current Start menu. It's not the updated one. So if we were to go to Settings, and then System, and About, you can see we're on 25H2. 26200.7171, and I believe you need to be on 26100 or higher to get it. So if you don't want to wait for it to show up to be enabled, we're going to show you how to do it using the ViVe Tool. So the ViVe Tool is an app you could use to enable and disable features on Windows. So it's often used to enable some of these new features before they're actually rolled out to your computer. All right, so all you need to do is go to the GitHub website, download the ViVe Tool. It's just a zip file. There's nothing to install, and stick it somewhere on your computer. So I have it here on the C drive under ViVe. So you can see we have these files here. So it's just an executable, but you can't run it by double clicking it. You have to do it from the command line. So it has to be an administrative command line. So we'll type cmd, run as administrator. So you'll need to be an admin to do this. Then we just need to navigate to the location where our ViVe tool folder is. So mine's on the C drive here under ViVe. So yours will most likely be somewhere different unless you copy to the same place here. So if I do dir, you can see there's our ViVe tool. All right, so the command we're going to use is vivetool/enable/id, and this is the ID number associated with enabling the Start menu, and then you could also disable it as well. So I'm going to copy this, right-click, paste it in. All right, it says successfully set feature configuration. So now we need to restart the computer. So we'll do that now and be right back. All right, let's go ahead and log in here. All right, so now when we click on Start, we have all of our categories here. And then we have our pinned apps. And then we could show all if we want. Then we could change our views, grid, list. And then you'll have your recommended section if you have that enabled. All right, so to disable it, all you need to do is go back to your ViVe tool and run this command here. So one thing that I will say about some of these is if you disable them and then you try and enable them again, it might not work. So it might be a one-time thing. So if you want to disable it, make sure you really mean to disable it, because you might not be able to enable it again until, of course, Microsoft rolls it out to your computer and then it's actually really enabled. So let's try this real quick. So CMD again. All right, now we'll paste in the disable command here, the same ID, get the same message. So let's reboot again real quick, see what happens. All right, let's log in again. All right, so now you see we're back to our original Start menu. So pretty simple. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download the ViVe tool, and then I'll also put this in the description as well, so you could copy and paste it, and then you could try and enable the new Start menu on your computer. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.